Today we are going to build this amazing website, just a simple website using HTML and CSS. Watch complete video till the end. At the end you will get the source code of this website and you will know from where you can directly download the source code completely. So today's agenda is that we will build this beautiful website just using HTML and CSS. So let's understand what's inside this website. This is in simple page and single page application which is built in just HTML and CSS. So you can see the animation. There is bubbles which are moving from bottom to top, and we apply this animation using CSS. So here is some text, and on the right side you can see there is a menu, beautiful menu, and there are some links to the social accounts and to the website which is Work4Win, which is my website where you will get some amazing stuffs if you want. So you can see there is a logo at the top and there is a sign up button that is similarly on the top right side, and there is a text welcome to Work4Win and no more button, and there is an image in the background. So all the images used here, the code of HTML and CSS file you will completely get. So now it's time to reveal that how you will get the source code. So you can see this is the source code of this website which I have written. So this is simply HTML file of 52 lines, and this is CSS file. It's a little bit bigger than HTML file. So let's see how many number of line there. Yeah, 150 line of code in our CSS file. So where you can get this source code, just simply search on Google Work4Win and you will get a website, top web development service company in India. Now click on the link and you will redirect to website. This is the website of Work4Win. Now here you have to visit project section. This is our project section. Here a lot of projects are available related to web development. There are some cool projects which we have built yet, and there will be some projects available which is upcoming projects. So you can see that. Now we want source code of this website. So there are two options, live preview and source code. So if you want to see that how this website looks like really, so you can click on live view. So we'll directly redirect to this page and you can see that how this website look like. Now if you want source code, then click on source code and this page will open in front of you. So here you can see that this is the beautiful page where you will get your source code. There is an alert here. It's simply about that you should have basic knowledge of web development. If you are beginner and you don't know how to write code in HTML and CSS, simply you don't know how to build a website, then click on learn web development. There will be tutorial and you can simply learn from there. So today's agenda was building this website. You can see that there is an HTML code you can simply copy from here, and there is an CSS code you can simply copy from here. If you want to download zip file from here, you have to click and link which is given below, and simply by clicking on that a zip file will be downloaded in your system. Simply you can open that file and you can run your website.